Jai Sriman
Rama, all the great devatas like Sadhyas, Visve devatas, all the wind devatas, all the Maharshis, Dhata, Vidhata, Virat Purusha, Brahma, Aditya, Pusha, Bhaga, Aryama, Devendra, Lokapalakas, all the seasons, all the fortnights, all the months, all the years, all the nights, all the days, all the muhurtas, everything will confer you great high level, huge level of protection. Kausalya Devi bestowing a high level protection to Sri Ramachandra Swami. Kausalya Devi repeatedly realizing that she cannot stop Rama anymore. Now Kausalya Devi declaring, announcing that, and also requesting that all the mountains, all the oceans, Kubera, Varuna, heaven, sky, earth, all sacred rivers, all the stars, all the planets, and the predominant deities of devatas of all the planets, and the day, night, Sandhya, Kalam, everyone, may all of those divine entities be protecting you all the time. O Rama, all the seasons, all the sides, may all of them be always protecting you all the time, Rama. O Rama, while having the form of a great sage, you are just like a Muni, wandering here and there in the forest, having no destination to go, but going here and there. I cannot even imagine, Rama, but while you are wandering in the forest like that, O Rama, all the devatas, even asuras also will be protecting you all the time. Rama, there will be no fear. May there be no fear to you by all the Rakshasas, Pisachas, and the cruel animals, wild animals. O Rama, monkeys, scorpions, flies, everything, snakes, all the small, even species, animals should never be hurting you at all. O Rama, all the elephants, lions, tigers, wild, big, huge animals also will not cause any kind of harm to you. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He Raja Rama, He Raja Rama, He Sita Rama, He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.
As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.